Good evening, everyone. A quick scenario on GBPCHF. On GBPCHF, I'm looking at probably this will be our last trade for today. And on the 4 hours time frame, what we have noticed is quite a very simple structure which we want to look at this point in time. So the first thing we noticed, I noticed personally on the GPCHF 4 hours time frame is that despite the fact that we are on a bearish momentum, we've noticed that the multiple rejection of this area at 1.21 area has been very significant in the last two months thereabout, where we've been seeing a rejection of this particular area every single time price comes into that zone. And this rejection of this particular area signals that this is probably a very strong demand zone. And why am I saying it's a demand zone? It has been holding price for quite some time now as we continue to see rejection of that area from the buyers since the beginning of March, as you can see. Now, with this in mind, we want to look at how we could take advantage of this potential bullish momentum that we have identified at this point in time. So the first thing I looked at is, okay, what has happened since the beginning of this week? The beginning of this week, the first thing you will notice here on the 4 hours time frame is that we had a strong bearish impulse leg, which saw price reject that same 1.21 area. Then we had price get to 1.21890 before it finally comes back to the 1.21 area before it moves to the upside. And what does this give us? This gives us a structure that looks more like a reversal pattern. And the reversal structure we could identify here is what we normally call the double bottom structure, which is always known to be a very significant reversal pattern. And if we label this, give me a moment, let me label this. We have a double bottom structure here, and that is double bottom reversal pattern. A very strong reversal pattern where we have a key level which will also serve as our neckline at this area and the market. So our key level is always golden in color, and we have our key level at around 1.21700. So allow me to label this key level at 1.21700, and then we give this a gold, and let's place it right on the top here. Right, and no, let me put it at the bottom so it will be more visible for the eyes to see. So we have a key level here at 1.21700. So what are we going to be looking out for to be a signal to join the bullish momentum? Now we are expecting a breakout of structure at key level, which we see finally happened a couple of hours ago, where we saw price breakout of structure and we have a sharp rejection of this key level. If I scale down to a much lower time frame to be more visible for us to see, so let's move down to a 1 hour time frame where I actually identified a new um, bullish trend line that is forming at this point in time. Give me a minute. Let me go back to let me go down to 15 minutes. I think yes, I saw it on the 15 minutes time frame. If we pull out our line chart, we can see that we're having a new trend line forming at this point in time, and price has been respecting this trend line for a while now. At least throughout the course of yesterday and today, price has been rejecting, even though it went below that level, it came back above that level before we had the breakout of structure, and price appears to be coming into that zone where we'll be looking for probably multiple reversal a reversal pattern on the lower time frame where we'll be looking out for a signal of a breakout of structure, a retest as a confirmation to the upside. So in this regard, I placed the pending order around this area 1, 2, 3, where I'm looking at a possible strike through those zones, and if price continues to the upside, then we can be looking for another way to add more trade to this. So at the meantime, we are looking at a potential take profit target of around 160 pips thereabout, which is around which falls. If you notice, if you look left, we see a structure around this area. So we are looking at this area for now to see what happens in the meantime. So I would like to pause the video at this point in time, and if there are any updates that is very necessary, I share with you, I will definitely put on my. I will always drop by at the comment section on my TradingView account. So we look forward to a bullish momentum with the key level at 1.217 as our yardstick going forward. So thank you for watching. Let's pause the video and let's see how price reacts as price action is being monitored. Do have a wonderful, probably weekend or day. Good day.